Hello, welcome to my channel Kitika Entertainment. Today I will show you one TCP program that client will be enter the name and send to server. Server will be display total number of vowels and also extract the vowels from the string or name and display to the and return to the client, and client will be displayed. Okay, again I want to tell you, server, it is the program between server and the client. Client will be send the name to the server. Server will be extract the vowels and return back to the client also, and also count the total number of vowels and also return to the client, and client will display it. Last time I was posted a video, but it background was the song, so my viewers will be suggestion me that every program should describe it so that we have understand. So today I will be this program I will be understand you. So before that I will tell you, if you are new to my channel then subscribe it. If you are already subscribed then comment is it program is understand by you or not. So now I will be start the program. So here write suppose gedit. These are two terminals I have opened. First is gedit. I will be write. Suppose this is the vowel server. So it is the vowel server. Okay. So .c. It is the vowel. .c. It is the vowel client. Okay. Gedit vowel client .c. Okay, so this server will be open. So here first I write the program. Write a program in TCP. Okay, client will send the name to server. Okay, server, and server will count and extract vowels and send back to client. Then client will display it. Okay, so this is my program. So here I declare the header files. First I will declare the C header file stdio.h. Okay, then hash include stdlib.h. Then next is hash include string.h. I think this I have not used, so before that I have written like same, and this is the I will declare the socket header files. Okay, then hash include then sys types .h. Okay, then hash include then sys socket .h. Okay, then hash include what to write now, orpa /inet.h. Okay, then hash include what will write here, inet/in.h. Okay, then hash include net inet/ip.h. Okay, then hash include then uni.std.h. Okay, then what will write here, int main. If you don't know about socket program, then I'll be give you the link in the description box, so that you will be go and check. You can understand well what is socket, the basic of the socket. So here I will write int server fd. This is the server file. So server fd is equal to socket. Then what to write here, af_inet and sock_stream. It is a stream socket. So sock_stream, and proto is the protocol is IP proto. Okay, underscore TCP. This is the TCP program. So here write the TCP protocol. Okay, then here write if server fd equals to -1. Then what will write here? P error. Okay, then socket failed error. Okay, then exit. My program should be exit here. It do not be continue. Then what to write here? Now I will declare the intent structure sock addr underscore in. Okay, then what to write? Server and then client. Okay, then what to write here? We will be write here server. Okay, dot scene family is equal to af underscore inet. Okay, then server dot scene port. What is port? STONS host network. I have suppose used here 5000. Okay, then server dot scene underscore addr dot s underscore addr is equal to what to write here? Na inaddr underscore ne. Okay, so underscore not hyphen ne. Okay, then what will write? Bind here. int b is equal to okay bind. What will write here? Now server fd. Okay, then stock addr. Okay, pointer. Then ampersand server is the process, bind is the process which we used to access to port and IP address to the socket. So here what to write here? Now size of server. Okay, so this is the bind function. Then if b equals to -1, what to write here? Okay, now p error bind failure. Okay, bind failure. So then exit. Okay, exit and then 0. Understand? Okay, then listen int. Okay, l is equal to listen. Listen is used to listen the ports from the client side. So here write the server fd. Okay, then 5 clients. It will listen the 5 clients from the 5 clients request. So here if l is equal to 0, then what to write here? Printf ports are listening. Ports are listening from client. Okay, so then what to write here? We will close here. Here write the accept function. int new fd. This is the client fd. Okay, this is the client fd. So here write the accept. Okay, then server fd. Okay, then what to write here? Now struct sock addr. Okay, pointer ampersand client, because this will be populated from client data from the client side. So here write int size is equal to what to write? Now ampersand size is equal to size of client. Okay, so here what to write here? Now ampersand size. Okay, then here write if new fd is equal to -1, then accept failed. P error. Okay, accept failed. Okay, so my program should be closed here. So don't be move ahead. So close. If it is successful, then you can write printf client incoming request from %s client. Okay, then slash n. Okay, what will write here? inet underscore ntoa. Okay, ntoa. What to write here? Now client dot scene underscore addr. Okay, then bracket close. Then close this. Okay, then I will go to the client side. So same program I will be copy up to this. Okay, then I will be modify this because if I want to save your time. So here go and paste this. Okay, then instead of server side is a client side, you will write also client fd, then here also write the client fd. Okay, so here not write the client side because this is a one client, it himself is a client, so no need to write this. Then instead of b, here write the c because I want to connect to the server, so here write the connect. Okay, connect, then client fd. Okay, you will write the client fd. Okay, then server size of server if, okay, c equal to -1, then connect failure. Okay, connect failure, then here we write printf. Okay, connected to client. Okay, then /n. First I'll be check whether it is going to successfully connected from client side to server side or not. So here I'll be compile this. Okay, compile this, then yes, we compile ./out. Okay, the ports are listening from side, so here we move and it will be right. Okay, GCC. So statement missing means you will be give the brackets. So here and close this. Okay, I will do it fast because it will save your time. So here gcc./out. Okay, yes, connected to the client and it will include from this. Okay, then what we'll do here, I'll do the one thing. So here when they run the program, it should be clear. So here write system. Okay, then clear. Then here also same. So here also same do things. So here also write, okay, system, then write the clear. So here my program is now what? In the client side I'll be enter the send the name. So you write the care name. Okay, 20. Okay, then printf enter name. Okay, enter name. So you write the scanf. Okay, percentile s. Okay, name. Okay, then what will do here, we will send this name. What write send. Okay, then what will write here, client fd. Okay, then name. Okay, strlen. Okay, then name. Okay, then 0. Okay, then at this side I'll be receive this and this print whether it is coming accurate name or any character will be mismatch. So what will write here, I'll be write here. Okay, and then care name. Okay, 20. Then what will write here, receive. Okay, receive, I'll be write here suppose new fd, then name. Okay, then size of, okay, size of, what to write, name. Okay, then bracket 0. Okay, then what to write here, now printf suppose percentile s. Okay, then /n. Okay, then name. Then we check actually it is correct to receive or not. If receive, then I will be continue the program. So yes, then here also I will be run. Okay, then also enter name, suppose Arun, my name. Yes, this is the garbage character missing. So what we'll do here will be mistake, will be change a little bit code. Okay, so here before you will write int k is equal to this. Okay, then you will write here. Okay, then name of k is equal to, will be add the null character because it will be receiving one by one character. So last character it will be store the garbage value. So here, okay, bind error, mistake, bind error. So here instead of 5000 will be write the 6000, then close it. Okay, then will be compile and run this. Okay, here also will be write 6000. Okay, then close, then run it. Okay, so I'll enter. So here enter Arun. Okay, so yes, it is Arun is come. So then what will do here, it will be check, it will be vowel or consonant. So what will do it, I will remove this. Okay, because this is coming correct. So here what write int I. Okay, then here write for, okay, I is equal to 0, name of I, not equals to okay null character. Then what to write here? I plus plus. Then what to write here? I will take the another variable. Okay, count int. Suppose count is equal to 0. Okay, then what to write here? Now if name of I equals to a or name of I equals to e or name of I a e I a e I okay or name of I is equal to a e I o okay or name of I equals to I o u okay u then what to write na count plus plus okay then send. What will send? One character will be sent to the client machine. So what to write here? Now new fd okay new fd then ampersand okay name of okay then I okay then what is the character size? Now you will write size of each character it will sending, so size of char okay then what is the flag is the 0 okay these things it will be sent. Then I'll be close the bracket okay then I'll check this side it will be receiving or not. Then client side okay I'll be move to the client side okay then what to write here? It is also same thing. I'll be write okay then int suppose k okay then here write the suppose k is equal to receive okay one by one character it will receive, so here write the client fd okay then suppose here will declare one character suppose char ch okay what will write here na ampersand ch okay then what will write na size of okay char then flag 0 okay then here write okay if while okay k greater than 0 if it will receive the byte that is greater than 0 then it will be displayed printf okay percentile c okay then give the space okay then what now it will display ch okay remember ch it will display. Then same thing here again I will be copy the paste for read the next character okay so before that I will be rewrite here printf okay vowels are okay so rewrite these things okay then you will close this. Then I'll see whether it is working or not, so go to the there okay then I'll be compile and statement missing. I think it will be the for loop is not closed, so for loop is to close, then this is the main bracket okay then here I'll be close this then compile and run. Then you check this yes it is running. Then here we'll go to the and compile. Suppose here enter the Arun okay then it will display Arun, but I think its condition is not properly given, so here write if name of I equal 0 name of I not equal to null I plus plus new name of a e I o u then count plus plus send name of I then size of char 0 okay name of I equal 0 name of I not equal to null I plus plus okay then name of I equal to this okay then I'll be see what is the client side I have written. So client side I'll be check okay then k receive is k greater than 0 percentage ch receive client fd ampersand ch size of char ch okay so I'll be run this program. You can run this and check okay so Arun will be received, so vowels are it will be sending Arun okay then we'll check so int I equal to 0 name of I equal not equals to null I plus plus if name of I equals to A or E I O name of A equal to U, then send new FD our name of I name of I, the size of char. Okay, one thing I'll do here. UFD name of I, then it will send name of size. Okay, then I'll run this. Just check. I will check this 5000. Okay, then close this. Okay, I'll change this 5000. So name 0, so name equal to null, and I count if I equal to 0, name of I if name of I not equals to null I plus plus if name of I equals to A or name of A in name of I A E I O U, then send, what will you send here, new FD name of I I equal 0 name of I not equals to null if name of I then I equal 0 name of I equal to 0 if here also will print it first if name of I equals to A, name of I equals to A E or name of I equals to A E I or name of I equals to A E I O or name of I equals to A E I O U. Suppose here I am to display again first, then actually I will check here actually it is successfully here display or not. So here write the printf, okay, percentile C name of I. Okay, so I'll run this. AU, yes, here is coming AU, correct. So what I'll do here, I'll write here send function. Instead of this, I'll write the send function. Send. Okay, then what to write here? New FD. Okay, then what to write here? Ampersand name of I. Okay, then what to write here? Then size of. Okay, then char. Okay, then 0. Okay, then count plus plus. Okay, then check see this whether it is receiving or not. So again I will compile. Okay, bind error. So here I will be again check the 6000. Okay, then run this. Okay, then I will compile this. 6000. So here also again I'll be check the up to 6 what is the 6000. Okay, then here then compile it. Okay, Arun. Okay, then yes, then vowel is coming correct. So what we'll do now? So here I want to tell you one thing. So here I want to send the this means what total number of vowels. So here I'll in outside the loop I want to send this total number of vowels. So what to write? What is the vowel variable count? Okay, so here write the size of int. Okay, size of int. So same thing here also. Okay, I'll be write the to receive the vowel. I'll be write also same thing here also. Okay, then what to write also this, and here will be declare the another variable int count. Okay, so here also receive the count. What to write here? Count and size of int. Okay, so here what to write here? Printf total number of vowel is %d /n. Okay, then what to write? Count. Okay, here will be display the error, and you see and why this error occur and who can say. Those are watching the video. Suppose here I am writing Arun, but it will be display this garbage value. Then I want to tell you why this garbage value will display. I want to explain. You just give me attention here. Okay, suppose when you have entered the Arun, okay, then total number of vowels are 1, 2. That means this send function used twice. Okay, then when you are writing this send function, then what will happen? Total number of send functions are 3. So these 3 functions are what? These 3 functions are running inside this loop. Okay, because this receive function receive the again what your number. So that means we will count variable 2. That means this receive function first receive a, then next time receive u, next time receive total number of vowels 2. So 2 is not converted to the k, so it will display the garbage value, and this k is already what count is already stored in this variable. So this receive function returns the garbage value. So what will do? You will be tricky logic will be here. So I want to tell you, you will not find this logic. So here I'll be okay. Give the one thing. Okay. Suppose here I will be write. Okay. So what will do here? You will be here will be write here one send function. Okay, again to terminate this vowel loop. So here will be pass char terminate. Okay, terminate. Okay, this symbol. When this symbol is encountered, that means my loop will be terminated from the client side. So this term will be symbol will be meet. So what will write here? You will write okay new fd. Okay, then ampersand terminate. Okay, then what will write here? Now size of okay char. Okay, size of char then 0. Okay, this loop will be terminated. So here come to the this sides. Okay, so what will write here? If we write okay if ch equals to this symbol. Okay, then what will do here? Now break. Okay, that means this extra loop I have used to terminate this loop. Then that means when this symbol is made and it will be closed this loop and it will be used for the count variable. Okay, then you see again I will be understanding. Then you see it. Okay, then what will be here? 53 is the error. Okay, 52 and 53 because I have written here Arun, so I want to remove this. Okay, then close. Okay, then compile and run it. Okay, you see it. Okay, successful compiled. Then run this. Ports are listening. So to remember, here I have entered the Arun. Okay, so this symbol displays the A. So okay, then I will be check this side. So here what will we do here? So here will be count. So here cat terminate. Instead of this, not write inside the loop, will be come to here. Okay, you write this thing outside of the loop. Okay, because after this loop terminate, it will be send this. After this loop, it will be send this terminate character, and this terminate character will be what? Closed by the client side loop here. Okay, that means here. Then you see again I will be compile and run. Then I will be understand you what is the main problem. Okay, here I will enter the Arun. Okay, total number of vowel is 2. I will understand total number of vowel is 2. I will be again it write in proper format. So here we give the slash n. Okay, I want to understand you again. You just see. I want to tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like, share, because I am posting every day this type of TCP video. Those are weak in TCP or UDP, they can understand, and also they can able to do the programs. It is very programs are very easy, but if you are understand this API and function, then will be do the programs. So I want to tell you again. Okay, so I think you will be understand this up to this code because it is C code. Okay, so what will happen when we remove these two? If you write directly this function, then what will be happen? I want to tell you what will be happen. Now total suppose I have entered Arun, then AU. Okay, it will be run up to 2 times AU, then 2 times. So this loop should be run in client side 2 times because 2 times vowels are found. But when you are using vowel, when you are using this function, means total number of vowels, then this loop will be considered, okay, in client side as a vowel loop. This send function of the total number of vowels will be treated in inside K loop as a vowel. You are sending in server total number of vowel, but this loop treated as this is itself is a vowel. So what will do here? So here it will be your loop runs thrice, 3 times. So that what will happen? This number is the total count. The total number of 2 will be what? Received by this receive function. So what will happen? It will be not converted to the K. Okay, total 2 number is not converted to the character type is the K. Okay, so because K, okay, so it is not converted as a K. Okay, so sorry, it is received a K. K means what? Now your 2. That means it is the receive function is received this variable, this count variable as a character. So it is in the K. It will be store the what is the size of the 2. 2 means is the character, so it will be received some odd values, so that it will be display the what after AU it will display the garbage value. And this function, okay, K is your total count is passed in this last receive function. So this function when receive the count value, it does not work because count value is already received by this receive function. So it will display the garbage. So we need to terminate this loop. How? Now we will be give extra what? Now this greater than sign, so that to terminate the your loop. So here, okay, if you write 5 numbers of send function, then your loop will be in the client side also run 5 times. So here we use the extra terminate, so that it will be what it is terminated is used to terminate the loop in your which side? Client side. So here I am using if when it will find the ch, that means it will find at the end this symbol, then your loop will be break. After break, then it will be come to the outside of the receive function. Then outside the receive function, I have passed the count, so it will display the count value. So okay, I think you have understand well. So if you are new, then subscribe it. If you are already subscribed, then comment, like, share. And if you are beginners, then you can go to your description list. Here I have given the TCP and Edu program. You can find these programs are popular in the internet because you see it, then you first see that, then you will tell whether it is understood by you or whether it is liked by you. Okay, then bye. Okay, then bye. Thank you.